Hello students, today I am going to teach you our next chapter of class 7. Name of the chapter is Wind, Storm and Cyclone. In this chapter we have to read about winds, storms and about cyclones. As you read on your book even, we live on the earth and there is a lot of air around us. Air is a mixture of colorless gases and we cannot see air. It is saying that we live on the earth. We are living on this earth and there is a lot of air. It means there is very much amount of air presence on our atmosphere. And it is a mixture of colorless gases which we cannot see with our naked eyes. As the next line given in the book, the layer out of air above the earth is called atmosphere. It means after the air there is a layer which is known as by the name atmosphere. The atmosphere a tremendous amount of air. It means it has a large amount of air. About 99% of atmosphere is made up of just nitrogen and oxygen. According to this line, our atmosphere is completely mixed of nitrogen and oxygen gas. We come to our next line, the black heading of the book. The atmosphere exerts a pressure called atmospheric pressure due to weight of air content in it. It means that there is some pressure which is exerted by our atmosphere on the air which is present around it. The atmospheric pressure decreases with height. Even the small change in atmospheric pressure can bring about considerable change weather on earth. It is saying that change in atmospheric pressure can bring about considerable change weather on earth. Due to change in pressure of the atmosphere, there is change in weather condition. Weather means if the atmospheric pressure changes, that leads to change in our conditions of weather. It may be rainfall, it may be heavy rainfall, or other words we can say that it may be cool or hot in our atmosphere. All the phenomena such as wind, storm and cyclones etc. occur in the atmosphere. The wind which is blowing, storm which are occurring and cyclones which are occurring in our daily lives, they all occur in atmosphere. After that our next topic is air exerts pressure. The continuous physical force exerted on an object by something is called pressure. The pressure which our object feels of physical force is called pressure. Air exerts pressure. Actually, air exerts pressure in different ways in different situations. For example, given in your book, air enclosed in a container or bracket like a balloon or bicycle tube exerts a pressure. It means air always exerts a pressure on which it is trapped. If it is trapped, In a bicycle tube, it exerts pressure. If it trapped in a container, it also exerts a pressure. If it is trapped in balloon, then it also exerts a pressure. Second point, air in the atmosphere around us exerts pressure. The pressure which is felt by us in atmosphere is also exerted by air. Moving air called wind exerts pressure. If the wind is blowing very hard or very fast, then it also exerts pressure on us. Okay, so this is the main points of pressure of air.